In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into Webflow, whether you're managing meetings, scheduling appointments, or organizing events. Integrating Calendly into your Webflow site can create a seamless booking experience for your visitors. Calendly is a popular scheduling tool that syncs directly with your calendar, while Webflow is a powerful platform for building modern, responsive websites. By combining these two tools, you can offer your users an intuitive way to schedule with you right from your website. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open your browser and navigate to the Calendly website by typing www.calendly.com into your address bar. Once you're there, look for the login option in the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. This step is essential because you'll need access to your account in order to complete the integration. If you're brand new to Calendly and don't have an account yet, no problem. Just click Sign Up instead and follow the instructions to create your account. Once you've reached the login screen, the easiest option is to select Continue with Google. This allows you to log in using your Google account, streamlining the process significantly. It's a quick way to connect Calendly directly to your Google Calendar. From there, choose the Google account associated with the calendar you want to manage through Calendly. After selecting your account, click Continue to grant Calendly permission to access your Google Calendar. This is important because it allows Calendly to check your availability in real time and prevents double bookings. After logging in, you'll land on the Calendly dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this is where you'll manage your scheduling settings. Next, locate the gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner, and click on it. This will take you to the settings or configuration options for your account. From the available options, select Add to Website. This is the feature that lets you embed Calendly into your Webflow site. You'll now see a few embedding options. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Inline Embed option. This is ideal for embedding Calendly directly onto your web page, allowing it to appear seamlessly within your site layout. Once you've selected Inline Embed, click Continue, and Calendly will generate an embed code for you. Copy this code. It's the key to integrating Calendly into your Webflow site. Now, head over to your Webflow dashboard and open the site editor for the website where you want to add the Calendly integration. Look for the plus icon, which allows you to add elements to your web page, and click on it. In the search bar that appears, type code to locate the embed element. Once you've found it, drag the embed element onto the section of your page where you want the Calendly schedule to appear. This could be a dedicated booking section, your contact page, or anywhere you think it fits best. With the embed element in place, paste the Calendly embed code into the code field. This step is crucial for the integration to work, but keep in mind that embedding custom code is only available on Webflow plans that support code embeds. If you don't see this option, you may need to upgrade your plan to enable this feature. After pasting the code, take a moment to rearrange or style the surrounding elements to ensure the Calendly schedule fits naturally within your page layout. You want it to look clean and professional, so feel free to adjust spacing, colors, or other design elements as needed. Once you're happy with the placement, preview your site to make sure the integration is visible and functioning properly. Test the embedded Calendly schedule by attempting to book an appointment. This step is critical. It confirms that everything is set up correctly and that your visitors will have a smooth booking experience. Finally, based on your test results, make any necessary adjustments to the design or functionality, whether it's tweaking the layout or fixing small issues. This final touch ensures a polished and user-friendly experience for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded Calendly into your Webflow site, creating a seamless scheduling solution for your visitors. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.